Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the physical realm? What it would be like to transcend the boundaries of your physical body? Is there a hidden dimension waiting to be explored? Welcome to our channel, Atmogenesis. Today, I want to ignite your curiosity and introduce you to the incredible world of astral projection. I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how to astral travel. So, let's get started. Astral travel, also known as astral projection, is the process of consciously separating your astral body from your physical body, allowing you to explore different dimensions and realms beyond the physical world. Astral projection allows us to delve into the depths of our own consciousness, unlocking profound insights and spiritual growth. Many cultures and ancient civilizations have explored the realms of astral planes, using it as a pathway to connect with higher realms of knowledge and divine entities. Think about the possibilities that lie before us. Exploring distant planets, conversing with ancient sages, and even connecting with loved ones who have passed away. Are you ready to venture into the realm of astral planes? The journey begins now. Step 1. Preparation. The first step is to create a conducive environment for astral travel. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Make sure the room is dimly lit and free from any distractions. You can also enhance the atmosphere by using calming scents or playing gentle music. Step 2. Relaxation and meditation. It's time to relax your body and calm your mind. Lie down in a comfortable position and focus on your breathing. Take slow, deep breaths, allowing yourself to enter a state of deep relaxation. Visualize each part of your body becoming progressively relaxed, starting from your toes and moving up to your head. Step 3. Mindful awareness. As you reach a state of deep relaxation, shift your focus to your inner awareness. Allow yourself to become fully present in the moment. This heightened awareness will help you detach from your physical body and prepare for astral travel. Step 4. Visualization and intention. Now, it's time to visualize your astral body separating from your physical body. Imagine yourself floating above your body, observing it from a higher perspective. This visualization helps set the intention for astral travel. Step 5. Energy techniques. To further enhance the process, you can use energy techniques. One popular method is the rope technique. Imagine a rope hanging above you, extending from the ceiling. Visualize yourself reaching out and pulling yourself up the rope, feeling the sensation of ascending. Step 6. Letting go and allowing. At this stage, it's essential to let go of any attachment or fear. Trust in the process and allow yourself to surrender to the experience. Remember, astral travel is a natural ability that we all possess, so have confidence in your own abilities. Step 7. Exploration and return. Once you've successfully separated your astral body from your physical body, you can begin to explore the astral plane. You can visit different realms, meet spiritual guides, or simply observe the beauty of the astral world. When you're ready to return, simply intend to go back to your physical body and gently merge your astral and physical selves. And there you have it. Remember, astral travel requires practice and patience, so don't be discouraged if you don't succeed immediately. Keep exploring, keep learning, and let your spirit soar.